Hey guys, in this video you're going to learn how to brand your custom software. First tool that we're going to need to brand our software is Canva. If you've never used Canva before, I don't know what the heck you're doing. But all jokes aside, Canva is an amazing tool for building out your logo, ads, flyers, presentations, and so much more. So this is what the Canva dashboard looks like. For any of you wondering, Canva is absolutely free. There is a paid version. It's called Canva Pro. It's like $7 or $8 a month, something like that. I'm not an affiliate of Canva, by the way, but I do highly recommend their Pro plan. It's like $7 a month, and there's just so many more templates and elements and different features that you get with that paid plan. We would just go to Create Design here. There's already an option for logo in there, which is perfect. And so we can go in here and we can choose from all of these different logo templates that they already have custom made. And then let's say we want to pick this one right here. Let's pick it. It'll bring it in where we can edit it. We can move things around, change the text. We can add different elements of different things. Literally, you can type in anything here. Let's say we wanted to put like a car on our logo. There's going to be a bunch of different graphics of cars that we can choose from. And we can just like grab one and bring it into our logo and move it around wherever you want. But yeah, Canva is amazing. It's going to be your best bet for designing your logo. But yeah, highly recommend it, and it's completely free. After you've named your company, you've designed your logo on Canva, you're going to want to purchase your website domain. Website host that I recommend buying your website name from is called GoDaddy. Not a sponsored video. I just really like GoDaddy and how easy their system is to use. You can just go to GoDaddy.com. You can type in the name of the company that you want. Let's say it's YOLOsystems.com, and we search the domain. And if it's available, it'll show us. Looks like this one's taken, but we can buy YOLOsystems.net if we'd rather do that. So let's say we wanted to pick YOLOsystems.net. We can just say make it yours, and then we can go through the whole checkout process. They do have some additional costs that they will ask you if you want to add on. You don't need to add those on. You can just go with the bare $15, and this is for a 2-year registration. So it's like $7.50 a year. It's like close to nothing to host your domain through GoDaddy. And it's really easy to connect your GoDaddy hosting with GoHighLevel. Another really popular website host is called Cloudflare. You can do the same thing, type in the domain name, purchase it through Cloudflare. It'll be a couple dollars a year to host that domain. And I've heard good things about Cloudflare, I personally use GoDaddy. So now that we've purchased our domain, we just need to connect it to our GoHighLevel account. So right now I'm in my agency account, and we're going to switch to the sub account for our SaaS business. And then we're going to go down to settings, and then we're going to scroll down to domains and then hit add new domain. So first we're going to add our root domain, which will just be, for this case, mortgagecheatcodes.com without www, and this is going to be an A record, so we are going to copy this red text right here. We're going to copy that, and then we're going to go over to GoDaddy where we have our site hosted, and we are going to go to your login, your products, and then you're going to go down to the website, which in this case I'm doing this mortgage cheat codes, and we're going to go to the DNS. And then under DNS, we are going to go to add, and then we're going to do that A name file like it told us right here. We're going to do an A record for this one since it's not www. It's our root domain. And then we're going to do @ for our symbol for an A record file. And then for the value, we're going to paste in those numbers that we copied from GoHighLevel. And then for the TTL, we're just going to set to the shortest time, which is ½ an hour. And then we're going to hit add record, and then boom, success. And then we're going to go back over to GoHighLevel, and we are going to hit add. It might take a couple times because it has to process in GoDaddy, but there we go. Now it says, yay, your domain was successfully added. Okay, great. So now that we've added the A record file or the root domain, now we're going to add the www version. So now we're going to do www.mortgagecheatcodes.com, and then for www we have to copy this text right here and then hit copy. And then over in DNS, this file, instead of an A name, it's going to be a C name because it tells us here we need to do a C name record if it's www. And so now we're going to do CNAME. The text for this one is just going to be www, no dot, just www. And then the value, we're going to paste in this text that we grabbed from GoHighLevel. And then for TTL, we're just going to set for a half hour again. And then we're going to hit add record. And then great, our record was added successfully. We're going to go back over to GoHighLevel. And then we're going to hit add. Like I said, it might take a couple tries for it to all come over from GoDaddy. Then we're going to hit add again. A couple more times. Third time's a charm. Everything was added successfully. And now we have our root domain and then our www.domain. So that's how you set up your domain. Next, we're going to set up your white label domain, which is the text that people will see in the search bar when they're using your software. So as you can see, instead of saying app.gohighlevel.com, it says app.advancedsellingsystems.com. So anybody using my software is going to see my custom domain rather than GoHighLevel, and they won't even know that they're using GoHighLevel. So we're going to set it up the same for you. So we're in our agency account here. We're going to go down to settings, and then we're going to go to company, and then we're going to scroll down where we see white labeled domain. So you're going to type in your white label domain just like you see it here, app.whatever your business name is, .com. And then we're going to click on this little question mark. It's going to pop up with a video of Chase setting his white label domain up, which you can watch, but I'm going to show you how to do it as well. So we're going to copy this text. That's why we needed to click on that question mark so we could get the text for our DNS over in GoDaddy. So now that we have that, we're going to go over to GoDaddy, and then we're going to find our domain under my products, and then we're going to scroll down to the domain. In this case, I'm going to use advancedsellingsystems.com, and I'm going to click DNS. And so for the white label domain record, it's going to be a CNAME record. We're going to add a CNAME record. For the name, we're just going to type in app, no dots, just app. And then for value, we're going to paste in that text that we just grabbed from GoHighLevel. And then for TTL, we're going to do half an hour and then hit add record. And then it should say success. Awesome. And then right here, as we have everything typed in, we're just going to hit refresh. So now that we've put our white label domain info in GoDaddy and set that up there, and then we have our domain in here, that's everything you need to do. It could take up to a couple hours for everything to get set up in GoDaddy or GoHighLevel. And so you might not be able to type in your white label domain right away. But just give it a couple hours and then you should be able to use it just fine. And then last but not least, we're going to set up our Favicon. Before we jump into Favicons real quick, I just wanted to show you guys how to change your agency logo right here that your software users will see when they log in. So you're going to be in your agency account, you're going to go down to settings, you're going to go down to company, and then you're going to see your logo right here, or if you don't have it in there yet, you won't see your logo. I've chose white lettering because it shows up best against this black or gray dark background that GoHighLevel has. There is a certain pixel sizing that we want for our logo. So we're just going to jump over to Canva here. You can see my logo here. The letters are there. They're just white, so they blend into the white background. But you can see the pixel sizing is 500 by 100. That's a really good sizing for GoHighLevel. And then we would just go to share, and then we'd go to download. We want to do PNG because PNGs can be blown up large and not lose definition. 500 by 100 pixels, and then we're going to select transparent background because we don't want it to have like a white background. We just want it to be transparent for GoHighLevel so it looks the best. Then we'll download that, and then that'll take a second here. And then once that's downloaded, we can go over to our GoHighLevel account, and then we can go change or add. If you don't have one in there yet, select your file, and then boom, it'll pop in there, and then it will show up right here. And then you'll just hit update company, and then that's when it'll really show up there after you've updated your company down here. But now we're going to show you how to change the Favicon logo. If you don't know what a Favicon is, it's the little logo that shows up here in your tab next to the browser name, just like it does here with Gmail or with Canva. And so instead of looking all jumbled like this, we want it to look better, just like our logo here. But it looks terrible right now. So we're going to set that up. We're in our agency view here. We're going to go down to settings. We're going to go down to company. We're going to be working in this box right here, which we do have to put some custom JavaScript in, which I put down below this video. But first, we need to go to Canva. We need to get our logo design, and then we need to save it, and then we need to go back to our account. And then we're actually going to go to one of our sub accounts, and then we need to go into one of our sub accounts because we need to be able to access the funnel builder, and I'll show you why here in one sec. So we're just going to go to one of our sub accounts here, And then when that loads, we're going to go to sites, funnels. We're just going to click on one of our funnels here. And then we are going to edit that funnel. And the reason for this is because we need the code for our logo image. And this is the easiest way that we can get it. So now that we have our editor up, we can just go in and click one of these little pluses. And then we can go down to image. And then we can go down to our image box right here. And we can click image. And then we can upload our logo. Yours might not be uploaded in here yet, but you can just go upload files, upload the logo in, click on it, and then boom, our logo's right here. And the reason we did this is because now we have the custom code for our logo right here, which we are going to copy. And then boom, we're just gonna go out. We're not gonna save this because obviously I don't want that there. But now we have the code for our custom Favicon logo. Now that we're back under our agency account, we're gonna go in and we're gonna paste the JavaScript that I have below this video into this box right here. So I'm just gonna go grab it here from this Word document that I put it in, and we are going to copy it, and then we're gonna go back in and we're gonna paste it in here. And then you can see what it looks like here. And then where it says HTTPS all the way down to PNG, this is where we need to copy and paste the custom image link of our Favicon logo. And so I have mine here that I just copied from the funnel builder as I just showed you before. And then we are gonna copy this, and then we're gonna drag from HTTPS. Be careful not to grab the little tilde on each end, just the text in between it. And then you're gonna hit paste. And now our custom Favicon logo is pasted in here. And then lastly, you just need to go down and you need to hit update company. And then you need to hit proceed. And then if we hit refresh on our page, instead of that jumbled logo, it will now show our beautiful Favicon logo next to our company name. And that's how you do it. There will be a couple more branding things that we hit later on, like building your website and those kind of things. But this has been a really good basis of building your brand so people recognize your logo and your company name.